I think it's clear that atheism is the claim that God does not exist, that there is no God. It is not simply the absence of God belief, which is just a psychological condition and not even a truth claim. There are other propositional claims that also involve the absence of belief in God. For example, agnosticism, which says God may or may not exist, or we don't know whether God exists. That also is an absence of God belief, but it's clearly very different than the claim that God does not exist. And then there's a third view, which we might call non-cognitivism, which holds that the question of the existence of God is a meaningless question. There is no objective answer to the question, is there a God? Whether you say yes or no is simply cognitively meaningless. And so those who would hold to that non-cognitive view would also lack belief in God. But clearly, that's a very different position from the position of the atheist, who says this is a meaningful claim and it's false that there is a God. So I think that a careful thinker will differentiate between atheism, agnosticism, and non-cognitivism. These are all quite different views.